Hello everybody, let me show you today a new plugin for data integration, and in our demo I would like to synchronize the tasks from Gitlab to EasyRedmine. So here you can see in the Gitlab I have already created a task which is called text xxx with attributes like a due date, and then we have also a couple of closed tasks in the Gitlab. And then I would like to synchronize those to EasyRedmine to a project which is called the Gitlab integration. Now it is basically empty. So how to do it? In order to synchronize this data, we have to use this PM integrator and then they define the connectors to this application. So firstly, I will then define the EasyRedmine one, and I need to kind of copyright the URL address and then the username and then the password. And now it seems to be connected, and for double check I can even list it out the projects from the EasyRedmine or the users. And then now I need to define the kind of another system, which is in our case a Gitlab. So let's go like a git test and the URL address, which is this is a kind of global Gitlab which is available for everyone. In that case I will then kind of specify in here like this is like a private token in order to limit the quantity of users, because there is really thousands and thousands of the users. So I would then limit it by the my kind of private token and click on the submit. And if I will go to the details, so here are just my projects, what I have in this public GitLab. So we have a definition of these two connectors, and now we need to go to the integration and then click on the new and select like a kind of source and the target system, and now we can even name it like a test one. And then if you are interested in the kind of both way synchronization, so you can kind of check it and submit. And now we have to basically define like which entity we will kind of integrate. And in our case it will be like a tasks. We can for sure even migrate the whole project or just the workbooks, but I will select the tasks and then click on the next. And now we have to kind of select the projects which we will kind of integrate. In a GitLab I have a project or repo called FCB Watch, and in the Redmine I guess it's called like integration. Is it like an integration or yeah, GitLab integration. So let's take this one and map it to GitLab integration, and it was successfully done, and we can go on the next. And here I can even kind of save it because it's already done. And then we can go to the users, and so we already defined the mapping of the entity, which is in our case project, and now we have to define the users. For sure, if there is any consistency, we can launch the automate mapping, the consistency in kind of emails and whatever, but we can also do it manually. So I can even select like I'm in the GitLab like a proper 8.3, yeah, and the same one in Redmine. So let's map it and close it. So I have this mapping done, and now we can go to the scheduling. And if I will not kind of do anything, so right now it's already active, and each 2 minutes it will synchronize kind of the both systems. And so I can even launch it right now manually, click on the run, but just for the double check. So we have in GitLab a couple of tasks, like 4 are closed and one is text xxx, and then we have a kind of EasyRedmine, and there are empty, and there is basically no tasks right now. So let's click on the run, and now we can go into EasyRedmine and refresh the page, and it will for sure take a couple of seconds. And now we have kind of all of the tasks synchronized already, and here you can see like a test xxx, and then we have a due date there. And if I will open the subject, or this is Redmine, and change, for example, the due date to I don't know, the 3rd of August. So let's then launch again the integration and then return it back to kind of Gitlab and open it. And now here you can see like a due date was changed to the 3rd of August. So here you can see also in the specification that the due date was kind of changed. So you can basically change whatever attributes and then it's synchronized vice versa between these two systems.